In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Notion from a Google search, log in, create a new page, add a clear title, and insert a PDF block using Notion's /command for a clean, organized workspace. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion and look for the official Notion website in the results. It should be near the top and clearly labeled. Always choose the official site to keep your account secure and avoid lookalikes. On the Notion homepage, look for the Login button, typically at the top right corner. Click it to reach the sign-in screen. Use your usual login method, whether that's email and password or a single sign-on option provided by Notion. If your browser offers to save your credentials, that's up to you, but only do so on a trusted device. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your workspace. To create a new page, find the option labeled New Page. You'll often see this in the left sidebar. It may appear as a plus icon or a clearly marked New Page button. Click it, and Notion will open a blank canvas for you to start building. Give your page a meaningful title in the title field at the top. A clear, descriptive title helps you and your team find the page later. Consider a naming pattern that fits your workflow, like including a date or a project tag, so the page is easy to search and sort. Next, move to the body of the page. This is where you'll add content. To prepare for adding a PDF, place your cursor in the body and type a /, then type PDF. Notion's quick insert menu will filter results as you type. This /command is a powerful shortcut that saves time and keeps you focused on your content. From the filtered menu, click on the PDF option. Selecting this tells Notion you want to add a PDF block to the page. You'll now see the PDF block ready to use, right where your cursor was. This block is ideal for embedding documents so they're easy to view alongside your notes and context. That's it. You've gone from a simple Google search to logging in, creating a new page, giving it a solid title, and inserting a PDF block using the /command. Keep practicing these steps, and they'll become second nature as you build polished, well-structured Notion pages.